That's all the petty things.
All right, before we move on from the Standard, because we need to go to the Nation, page 24.
Yeah.
I think this is important, and this is just showing the kind of lives our children live in Nairobi as they're going to school. And what caught my attention and literally makes you choke thinking that I don't know what we're doing with our children is a post sent by somebody on Facebook of a child walking into Madaraka Primary School at 5:30 a.m. So the question is, what time did this child wake up? What time did they have to have breakfast, if they had any? And they get to school at 5:30. Probably they're going to be there till 5. Honestly, I don't know if we're doing any good to our children when it comes to education. I'm not sure what we're setting them up for.
I mean, sometimes, Michael, you'll be stuck in traffic as late as 9 p.m. and there's a school bus right next to you. These are the same children who'll have to go home and do their homework. They still need time to, interact with family, and they'll be up and make it to school by 5:30 a.m. And, probably class 4, class 3. Is it really necessary to take them through all this?
Unfairly